So I just found this old trolling motor in my backyard. It's from a previous project where some of my friends and I built an autonomous boat. I think I have an idea for it. So I have this boat hull from a hydrofoil sailboat I've been working on for the past 6 months. It doesn't have the foils done yet, but I think I can put the trolling motor on the back and turn it into a little swamp boat. After making sure the trolling motor fit, we put a few finishing touches on the boat and put it on a trailer. I was almost surprised when it floated, but it seemed like it worked. So we got underway and started boating along. It worked pretty well, but there was an issue.
Boating away! I am currently steering backwards because every time I try and sit forward, the battery disconnects because I forgot to bring a wrench to attach the wires to the battery. So this is just how it's going. I have a great view of our wake and it is very flat. Very efficient boat. We're boating!
But we were making progress and we continued up the slough with a destination in mind. We eventually made it up the slough to my friend's apartment, where he came out and brought us some beer.